Hello friends, I am going to tell you today how to upload a document at a page store. I will show you from the start. So that's why I'm logging out from here. First of all, you have to go to the browser and type storenet.in. This window will come, and on this side there is the login option. So click on the login, enter details, select a retailer, click on login. Once this is logged in, if the window popped up, company notification and information. Ignore this. Click here on the cross button to close this window. Once this is got closed, you can go to setting. Click on the setting button. Here are the options. Okay, change password, change profile, PAN card, APS, mobile update, log out. So you have to click on change profile. In a change profile, there is the page being displayed about your profile and the detailed information. Scroll down this page, go to the bottom. In the bottom, there is an option of upload documents. So there are the two buttons. One, choose file for identity proof. Second is the upload address proof. So before selecting and uploading a document, you have to read this important note where the format of document should be in JPEG or JPG format. Second is about the size. It should not be less than 100 KB or more than 1 MB. So you have to be careful while taking a copy of document. So what you have to do, you have to take a copy of your PAN card for identity proof and for address proof Aadhaar card. Just do the self sign on those documents which matches with that given document. Sign on it and they take a photo, copy of that, and make sure that the size is which is permitted over here 100 kb and less than 1 MB. Once you ensure that, you can select those document. I am showing it here is, for example, for identity card, PAN card is size of the this file is 173 kb. So this is within a range. Second is about the Aadhaar card, that is also within a range. So I'll select this document. You can see here it is showing JPG PAN card copy. Second, Aadhaar card, that also you have to select. So once both document got selected, you have to click on this upload documents. So once you will click on this upload document, it would be successfully uploaded. In case if it's rejected, it will show you the message. You can take a action accordingly. Still, if you are facing any problem, what you can do, you can reach to the company either through email ID. This is the admin @ pagestoreservices.com, or you can directly call on this number. So they will further support you how you can upload your document. That's all about KYC, which is required at Pay Store to start the services of money transfer and money withdrawal and many more. That's all. Thank you.